Hello friends, today the weather is changing its color again and again. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's windy, and sometimes it's so dark so that it seems like it will be rain soon. So maximum time the weather is cloudy, but although the weather is cloudy, then also it's feel like so hot. So friend, I don't feel anything good when the weather is sunny or hot. And along this the birds are chirping around me, and the goats are eating corn leaves and bleating as well. And oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Badmash. And the cows are eating grass. Mhm. The cows are grazing grass in the field, and they are also mooning. MOONIG, mooning, right? Am I right? Badmash. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Friends, today I have to go to the doctor. I'll take my daughter to the doctor because she has a loose motion. Not actually loose motion. She has a stomach ache and a bowel movement, unusual bowel movement. I need to take her to the doctor, otherwise she will become weaker. So that's why thought mm, I thought I wouldn't let her go to school, so I didn't let her go to school. So, and I messaged the principal to provide all the lesson who they are going to teach for the day. And he said okay. He said okay, and he will provide all the lesson which they are going to teach for the day. So friend, after few minutes we will go to the doctor, and it will take minimum 45 minutes from our home. It is a little far from our home, so weather is not so good, so I'm not feeling like to go anywhere, but it's a compulsion. We need to take my daughter to the doctor. And my mother-in-law will go with me. At first we need to take a four-wheeler toto, and then after 5 kilometers we need to take a tempo, and it will take us directly to the doctor's chamber. It will be so inconvenient for us, but for the sake of my daughter we need to do it. Okay, so bye, take care.